Yeah, it's me, Natalie, on that. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. My name's Natalie and I do nails, reviews, hauls, anything and everything to do with nails. Got a bit of a note there, what's that? So this one is my VIP box for May from Sparkle Supply. Now, I'll just put up all Lorraine's socials. These are $12.99 a month. She's on Facebook, Sparkle, Instagram and TikTok, and she's also got a website. Oh, I love Lorraine's stuff. It's fantastic, Sparkle stuff. These are $12.99 a month, these VIP boxes. But this one came to £13.44. So you do get a bit knocked off. But the thing with these... Oh, well, that's just gone off. A couple of things have happened this morning in this house. Dominic said he got some, because we have coal fires, but the dual fuel, so the coal and the log fires, and it's still a bit cold in the UK where we are at the moment. So he got some coal from outside, and it's coal, it's clean coal. It's smokeless. Anyway, and he said he went to get some, put it outside, and he went in the kitchen, and when he came back in, a piece of the coal had gone on to the hearth where the... Now, it could have just fallen, I don't know, but that was a bit weird. Now my light's going off. And the other night, we do have a touch light, or Dominic does on his side of the bed. I don't really like them, but he's got one. And it kept going on and off. And in the end, I just had to literally switch it off completely. Anyway, do with that information what you will. Or rather, I should, because I'm the one that lives here. Anyway, so the VIP boxes, yeah, they're $12.99. You do get a month before they were out, and I'll show you what I got. She does some lovely stuff, though. So I'll start with the glitters. I always start with the glitters. Look at that. This is called Festival Vibes. Look at that. That really has got some festival vibes going on, hasn't it? It's like, it's gold and purple. Oh, that is lovely. It's gold on that side, but there are chunky purple pieces. So there's that. That's really nice, that. And then this one, I saw this when I opened it the other day, and this is called Mystical Jewels. Isn't that lovely? That's got like a pink to blue in it, and then like an amber looking, can you see? Like a bronzy amber colour through it. Very, very pretty. Oh, and that's got stars in it as well. I've just seen that. Oh yeah, it's got stars in it, look. Oh, I didn't realise it had stars in it. So that's them glitters. And this one, this is very unusual. This is Candy Dream. Now this is a matte glitter, but it's got sparkly bits in it. Has anybody else seen that? I haven't. That's the first time I've seen one like that before. I mean, she doesn't... I just can't explain it. I mean, it's got a matte finish, but it's got all the... I think what it is with these, I think these are newer ones. There's a fine glitter through it that makes it sparkly, even though it's matte. They're really, really nice, and it's beautiful colour. Very, very summery. Beautiful green and lilac. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then this is the Gold Burst foil. Isn't that lovely? That's beautiful, that. Again, very, very summery, because you can put that on summer nails. You can put it on Christmas nails if you want. Put it on any nail. And then the two little... Well, I'll do one at once. Now, this is a bit unusual. This is crystal shards. I've not seen this before either. I've seen other ones, but I've not seen them. Look at that. That's a bit different, isn't it? It's really different. I like that. Really like that. Beautiful. Crystal shards. And finally, this pigment, Love Struck. I do like these pigments. If you've seen my other videos, excuse me, I did a set of nails, and I think I used Sparkle's pigments in one of them. Look at that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That's now she does have one that looks similar to this, but it's not. It's very different, because this is... She's got one called Viola or Violet or something. Let me have a look what that other one's called. 1 second. But it's very different. Oh, here it is. I can see it's right in front of you. It's very different. And I know most people think that's similar. It's not. I'll show it you. I'll show it you. Violet. Here it is. I've got two. Yeah, they're very different. Yeah. So, and these are all available. So this is Indigo Shimmer. That's very much a blue colour. A blurple. This is violet. They're different. They're totally different. This is very, very purple because I used it the other day. Can you see where all the pink is? Oh dear, Natalie. Stop. And this is the new one. Love Struck. They're very different. Very, very different colours. Yeah. I have to say this Love Struck's a bit of... I think I favour this over... Yeah. Man, you're saying that... Yeah. Anyway, so I just wanted to... So that is my Sparkles Supply mini haul. Yeah, let me know what you think. I quite like their supplies from Sparkles. The VIP boxes, they're really good. And if you do decide to get one of these, you can use my code NFN15 for 15% off. There you go. And click on the video, subscribe, like and share and all that, and join the Glam Slam fam. Yeah, and I've got another video just coming up shortly, and I'm doing some very nice sage and nude design with a bit of black nail. Yeah, you'll see anyway. So yeah, well, you will do if you click on the video. Thank you again. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.